Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Volvo XC40 on a 71 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through just a few of the controls on the inside of it. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot area of the car first of all. As you can see, the tailgate on this car opens electronically. As we approach the back of the car, you'll also see the tow bar there and reversing sensors. Plenty of boot space, which can be increased by folding down either or both of those 60/40 split folding rear seats as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in. And as I mentioned, we'll just run through a few of the controls. Now that we've done a full circle of it though, firstly you'll see the alloy wheels are all in pristine condition, as is the bodywork the whole way around the car. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials on the left-hand side. We have the speedometer. We have a digital readout for the speedometer as well. At the bottom of that section, the total miles for the car. They are 10,753. On the right-hand side, we have the gauge that will show you how much of the power you're using, whether the hybrid battery is charging. We've also got our fuel gauge and battery charge level over there. And within that section, it will show you what gear this car is in. It's an automatic, so of course we are in park at the moment. We have our satellite navigation being displayed in the middle. You can change that for any of the menus you see up here, including phone once you've paired your phone. And that is done over on the central screen, which we'll come to in a moment. The buttons I was just using are here. We have voice activation for your phone, we have cruise control, and then over into the center, the main touch screen. So firstly, this physical button will take you back to the home screen at any time, where you can then access your satellite navigation. You can access your audio options in the car. We have DAB, FM, AM radio, Bluetooth audio, so you can stream your music wirelessly once you've paired your phone, which is done under that phone heading. We have car status messages that will come up within that section. And at the bottom here, we have our climate control. So you can determine the direction the air is being distributed in, the fan speed. The air conditioning is on at the minute. You can turn that off, on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperature you've set. And you can, as I say, turn that off whenever you wish to. We've got a rear heated screen and a front heated screen there as well. With regards to the temperatures themselves, we have our passenger and driver temperature, which you can adjust by either sliding up and down or just tapping where you'd like the temperature. You can close that down when you want. We've then got a heated seat with 3 different heat settings for the driver, and the same over here for that passenger side. If we pop the vehicle into reverse, you'll also see the full color reversing camera, which has guidelines showing you what direction the car is headed in relation to the image being shown on the screen. Below that, the main volume for the stereo. We have some storage, a 12-volt charging socket and USB input. The gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. Hit that button to put it into park. Otherwise, you have drive, reverse and neutral on the stick itself just here. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. Similarly, if you'd like a live bespoke video tour, we'd be more than happy to do that for you as well.